Bambu Lab A2L Combo Packing Guide. Turn off the printer and unplug the power cable. Press the top of the 4-pin connector to unplug it. Install the plug protector, coil the power cable, and secure it with a rubber band. Close the camera privacy cover. Remove the PTFE tube coupler. Press the black collars on the tool head inlet and pull out the 4 PTFE tubes. Press the black collar on the spool holder connector and remove the PTFE tube. Tape the tool head filament hub in place. Tape the X-axis motor cover in place. Hold the claws and pull out the spool shafts one by one. Remove the 4 screws. Separate the AMS Lite body from the stand. Bundle the cable and place it over a spool shaft. Tape the feeder covers in place. Secure the feeders and AMS Lite body with zip ties, then cut off the excess. Remove the spool holder. Remove the build plate. Rotate the touchscreen. Move the tool head to the middle and open the purge wiper rear cover. Disconnect the cable. Remove the 1 screw. Hold the cable at the X-axis end and slide off the purge wiper. Close the purge wiper rear cover. Organize the cable and secure it with tape. Move the tool head to the purge wiper mounting side. Install the 2 Z-axis locks. Tighten the 4 screws. Remove the 2 screws. Unplug the integrated cable. Push the heat bed forward, remove the Z-axis motor cover, and place it back in the accessory box. Unplug the Z-axis motor cable. Lift the rear end of the Y-axis cover. Gently remove the Y-axis cover. Remove the 10 screws. Push the heat bed to the middle. Align the front of the Y-axis cover with the slot. Slide the Y-axis cover forward. Press down on the rear of the Y-axis cover to click it into place. Route the integrated cable under the frame support. Hold the integrated cable and tilt the base housing out of the frame. Remove the 4 screws. Push the Y-axis carriage all the way to the rear. Lift the heat bed and install the rear heat bed foam. Organize the heat bed cable. Slide the heat bed foam into the Y-axis carriage. Route the heat bed cable through the foam. Lift the base housing and install the rear base foam. Gently pull the heat bed cable until it is flush with the foam. Tape the integrated cable in place. Lift the base housing and install the front base foam. Wrap the side of the heat bed with paper. Install the screen side foam with the raised section and align it as shown. Install the other side foam and align it as shown. Secure the left and right foam with a zip tie and cut off the excess. Place the sample into the box. Place the PTFE tubes into the box. Place the base housing into the box. Insert the cardboard on both sides. Place the printer frame into the foam as shown. Gently pull back on the foam near the X-axis motor cover to help the frame fit into place. Tuck the tool head cable into the lower slot in the foam. Place the accessory box and spool holder into their places in the foam. Place the purge wiper and secure it with tape. Place the power cable. Install the foam on both sides of the AMS Lite body. Place the AMS Lite body with the foam into the box. Place the upper foam into the box as shown. Place the spool shafts into the corresponding foam slots. Place the AMS Lite stand as shown. Place the build plate and quick start guide as shown. Install the black corner protectors. Fold up the moisture-proof bag. Seal the moisture-proof bag with tape. Seal the outer box with tape. For more guides, tips, and troubleshooting help, visit the Bambu Lab Wiki at wiki.bambulab.com.